Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the cyclone and cover on your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. This process is essential for maintaining optimal suction and performance. Let's dive into the tools you will need for this task. You will require a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and completely powered off. Begin by removing the dust bin from the vacuum. To do this, press the red button located on the top of the dust bin and pull it away from the main body. Set it aside for now. Next, locate the screws that hold the cyclone in place. Using your Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws at the base of the cyclone. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the cyclone upwards to detach it from the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be some debris inside. If you notice any buildup, use your soft cloth to clean the interior of the vacuum. This is a great time to ensure everything is free of dust and dirt, which can affect performance. Now, let's focus on the cover. If your cover is damaged or cracked, it's essential to replace it to maintain the integrity of your vacuum. To do this, locate the screws on the cover. Again, use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. With the screws removed, carefully lift the cover off. If you find it difficult to remove, gently wiggle it back and forth to loosen it. Once the cover is off, take a moment to clean the area underneath. A clean vacuum is a happy vacuum. Now, it's time to install the new cyclone and cover. Start by placing the new cyclone into position. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the cyclone is in place, secure it by reinserting the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them, gently but firmly, to ensure a secure fit. Next, take your new cover and align it with the screw holes. Again, if you prefer, we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, making this process hassle-free. Screw the cover into place, ensuring it is tightly secured. After everything is in place, reattach the dust bin by sliding it back into the main body of the vacuum until you hear a click. Finally, give your vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust from the exterior. If you need a quote before repair or have any questions, feel free to reach out. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the cyclone and cover on your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.